Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in home design, cozy open-concept kitchen and living room ideas. Open-concept spaces have become increasingly popular for their ability to create a seamless flow between different areas of the home, making them perfect for entertaining, family gatherings, and everyday living. But how do you make these expansive spaces feel warm, inviting, and cohesive? In this video, we'll explore a variety of design tips and tricks to help you achieve a cozy and functional open-concept kitchen and living room. From smart furniture placement to color schemes and lighting, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and transform your home into a cozy haven. And if you love what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your favorite design idea. One of the keys to creating a cozy open-concept kitchen and living room is strategic furniture placement. Start by defining different zones within the space. For example, you can use a large area rug to anchor the living room and create a visual boundary between it and the kitchen. Place your sofa and chairs around the rug to form a comfortable seating arrangement that encourages conversation. In the kitchen, consider an island or a peninsula that can serve as both a prep area and a casual dining spot. This setup not only maximizes functionality but also helps delineate the kitchen from the living area. Use furniture pieces that are proportionate to the size of the space to avoid overcrowding and maintain a sense of openness. A cohesive color scheme is essential for tying together the different elements of an open-concept space. Choose a neutral base color for the walls, such as white, beige, or light gray, to create a bright and airy backdrop. Then, introduce complementary colors through furniture, textiles, and accessories to add warmth and personality. For example, you can use soft blues and greens to create a calming effect or rich, earthy tones like terracotta and mustard for a more inviting atmosphere. Be sure to repeat these accent colors throughout the space to create a sense of harmony and flow. Additionally, incorporating natural materials like wood and stone can enhance the cozy feel and add visual interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy and inviting open-concept kitchen and living room. Start with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to ensure the space is well-lit and functional. In the kitchen, install recessed lighting or track lights for overall illumination, and add under-cabinet lighting to brighten up work surfaces. Pendant lights above the island or dining area can provide both task lighting and a stylish focal point. In the living room, use a combination of floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Dimmer switches are a great addition, allowing you to adjust the lighting levels according to your needs and mood. Don't forget to incorporate some decorative lighting elements, such as string lights or candles, for an extra cozy touch. To enhance the coziness of your open-concept kitchen and living room, incorporate plenty of soft textiles and accessories. Start with a plush area rug in the living room to add warmth and comfort underfoot. Layer and throw pillows and blankets on the sofa and chairs to create a welcoming and inviting seating area. In the kitchen, consider adding a runner rug or cushioned mats to provide comfort while cooking. Use curtains or drapes to frame the windows and add a touch of softness to the space. Accessories like decorative bowls, vases, and candles can also contribute to the cozy ambience. Choose items that reflect your personal style and add a sense of warmth and character to the space. If you're enjoying these cozy open-concept kitchen and living room ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. We love hearing from our viewers, so leave a comment below with your favorite design tip or share your own ideas for creating a cozy open concept space. Your feedback and support mean the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more amazing content. Adding personal touches and decor items is essential for making your open concept kitchen and living room feel truly cozy and inviting. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, or artwork that reflects your personality and interests. Create a gallery wall in the living room to showcase your favorite pieces, or arrange a collection of framed photos on a console table or bookshelf. In the kitchen, consider using colorful dishes, unique utensils, or decorative jars to add a touch of charm and character. Remember, it's the little details that make a house feel like a home. By incorporating items that are meaningful to you, you'll create a space that feels warm, welcoming, and uniquely yours. A functional kitchen layout is crucial for maintaining the flow and efficiency of your open concept space. Consider the work triangle principle, which positions the sink, stove, and refrigerator in a triangular formation to minimize movement and maximize efficiency. An island or peninsula can serve as a central hub for food prep, cooking, and casual dining. Ensure that there is ample counter space and storage to keep the kitchen organized and clutter-free. Incorporate features like pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and drawer organizers to make the most of your storage space. By optimizing the layout and functionality of your kitchen, you'll create a space that is both practical and inviting. Creating a seamless flow between the kitchen and living room is essential for achieving a cohesive open concept space. Use consistent flooring materials throughout to create a unified look. Hardwood, laminate, or tile are great options that can withstand the demands of both areas. Keep the color palette and design elements consistent to maintain harmony and continuity. Use area rugs and furniture placement to define different zones without disrupting the flow. Consider using a similar style of cabinetry and countertops in the kitchen and living room for a coordinated look. By ensuring a seamless flow, you'll create a space that feels open, connected, and harmonious. In an open concept kitchen and living room, multifunctional furniture can be a game changer. Look for pieces that can serve multiple purposes to maximize the functionality of the space. For example, a kitchen island with built-in storage and seating can double as a dining table or a workspace. A sofa with a pull-out bed can provide extra sleeping space for guests. A coffee table with storage compartments can help keep the living area tidy and organized. By choosing furniture that offers versatility and functionality, you can make the most of your open concept space without sacrificing style or comfort. And there you have it, our top tips and ideas for creating a cozy open concept kitchen and living room. By strategically placing furniture, using a cohesive color scheme, layering lighting, incorporating thoughtful storage solutions, and adding cozy textiles and accessories, you can transform your space into a warm and inviting haven. Don't forget the power of indoor plants, personal touches, and multifunctional furniture to enhance the coziness and functionality of your open concept area. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a beautiful and cozy space that you and your loved ones will enjoy for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite design tip. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!